everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Rifa. In this video, we are already at the Bernie Falls State Park in Northern California, and today we will start our real time in the nature, without electricity, without Wi-Fi, without internet, without any technology. But I have this camping stove with me. So guys, this is the first time we will use this stove, and stay with me, we will unboxing together. So this is a Coleman Triton stove with 2 burners, and this is like a really nice one. We got this from Amazon, and I would like to see what's inside. So each burner is for 12 inches pan or 30.5 centimeters, and the other one is for 10 inches which is 25.4 centimeters. So I'm gonna open this. Oops.
Mama.
Oh, so cute. Hi. There's some squirrels there. All right. Oh my gosh. So I think I gotta do it this way. Oops. It fell down. Broken. So this, let me see. I think it is this way. Oh. Let's check it out. Alright. So I'm just gonna leave the plastic bags here. Okay. Oh, that's how you open it. Ta-da! Whoa, this is the grill, and this is to connect with the propane tank.
Don't take it. Don't take it.
And voila! Hi! Hello! There's a really cute squirrels here. And oh, look at this. Oops. There you go. Okay, we'll take this off. Yeah. We'll take this off and put it here. There you are. Hang on, this is a little difficult. Okay, where should this go? Oh, here. So this is as kind of the windshield to protect the fire, the flame from the wind, from the side wind. And all right, what is this? Okay, there is the tag here, which I don't know how to remove. It is like attached, and this is like the warnings, follow the leak check and procedure in instruction for use. Yeah, we got the instructions. So this will be connected here. This is like pipe kind of things, and then you will connect with the propane from this panel here, and then we're ready to cook. Alrighty. Yeah, we already got our, is it correct? We already got our propane, and we're so ready to use this. This is the manual. So this is the Coleman propane stoves. And here is the manual. In this manual, there are instructions for your safety. What can be the danger, and then the warning, and also technical characteristics, leak check, and how to light it, how to clean, how to store, and things you should know. So and also how to turn it off. This is like really useful, and it is available in several languages. There is also like part list, how to install together, and there is a warranty, limited 3-year warranty. We purchased this stove from Amazon for around $85 for this color. Meanwhile, there are 2 other colors, but the price range was like higher. It was above $100, around 120. So we picked this one. They have like the same specifications, it's just different colors. So we picked this one, the cheap one. So this is it, guys, our propane stove for our camping this summer. I'm so glad that we finally have this one, because last year we borrowed from our friends, and I thought like if we are going to do this regularly, then we will have to have our own camping stove, right? Propane stove. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope this video has been useful for you. You like this video, and you can give me a like, subscribe, and comment. I hope to see you soon, guys, in my next video. Bye bye.
I usually put it on with before I put those on. Those wings. You take the metal connector. It's gold. This is gold. Same. Okay. You just push it on there, and then this part will spin, and it will lock just like that. Now you take the propane bottle, take off his top, and you're gonna screw it in.
Very tight.
That's it.
Now you can see fire. Wow, perfect, cool.
Same here. Just turn it.
Yeah, wow, perfect. Two friends ready for dinner. Ready for cooking dinner.
It's off. It's off.
Alrighty. Yay.
And it's funny, the more that you use this for heat,
Uh-huh.
the more the can becomes cold.
Yeah, I know it.
And when you pull it off, it makes a little...
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's it, man.